Hey everybody, it's your pink bag lady here, Amy Pinkston, and I want to talk to you today about a special deal that is only available through the end of March, okay? So let's talk about our $20 Spring Mini Enrollment Kit. You guys, now it's a great time to join 31 Gifts and start your very own bag business for $20. Now we do have our normal enrollment options of our $59 kit, $99 kit, and $179 kit, but check out what you get, $130 worth of products for $20. Let's look at the $20 Spring Mini Enrollment Kit. You're going to get our #1 product, the large utility tote. You guys, you cannot go wrong with the large utility tote. If you've heard of 31, this is probably the bag that you've seen or heard of, and that is the large utility tote. You're gonna get that, and you get to pick it out in the print of your choice. Next, we have our zipper pouch, and it's simply that, just a really nice pouch that you can put cords, cables, makeup, medicine, you name it. Store all the things that you need in this nice little zipper pouch, and you get to pick your print again. Next, we have our essential storage tote, and this one you're gonna get to personalize. I love this new personalization that we have. It is gorgeous, especially on this print. So this is the essential storage tote. It's basically like a farmer's market type bag, a book bag. It's a great bag to have and put in the back of your car for groceries. And then last, you are going to get our Littles Carry-All Caddy. And this is the cute Littles Carry-All Caddy that's just that. You can put anything and everything that you want little to store in here. And you're gonna get to pick this print as well. Now, in addition to those 4 products, which are valued at $130, you are going to get all the forms that you need to start your 31 business, as well as a pack of 20 spring catalogs. So you guys, like I said, for only $20, it is the perfect time to join 31. If you've thought about making a little bit of extra money, or you're interested in a discount on 31 products, or if you just want to get out and have some fun with other women. I love all the people that I meet through this amazing business, and it has truly changed my life over the last 9 years, and I wouldn't trade it. It definitely does not feel like a job. So if you're interested in the $20 Spring Mini Enrollment Kit, comment below. I would love to reach out and talk to you. There's also links below that you can find out more information about the kit and our other 3 kits that we offer. Also, information on ways to contact me. And don't forget to subscribe to the Pink Bag Lady community. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. All right, I hope to see you joining my team soon.